Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. I'm really loving this fun Sherpa by Maixang. This is my favorite color and I couldn't be more happier. I'm usually a size small and I can definitely fit a heavy sweater with this on. I got so many compliments. I am obsessed with this fun floral design. Each flower is so bold and beautiful. The placement of each flower is unique and just stinking amazing. I love that I can dress it up with a skirt and boots for evening out, or I could just wear jeans. I am so happy it has big pockets for my phone and it's incredibly soft everywhere. I just want to hug myself all the time in this jacket. I love it. I think it's adorable and I want to get it in lots of colors, but that's just my point of view.